Hello, my name is Mohammed Al Hawari. I am a senior animator and graphic designer from Egypt. Maybe you don't know what I can do for you. Well, let me give you an idea about what I can do for your business. Sometimes I create a social media posts. Sometimes I create and animate stories for Instagram and Snapchat. While other times I create explainer videos. That could be anything from a business promotion or product overview or even a tutorial video. I also work in digital marketing. I can create a professional marketing campaign to your business. Includes all the designs and the videos you will need, or making a full theme for Instagram page. Anyways, that's a little sample of what I can do. And I love to hear about what you do and see if I can do something amazing for your business.